Today we are going to cover the topic derivative of parametric function. What is parametric function? Parametric function is a function which has a parameter like t. Let's take t as a parameter. So till now we were considering y is a function of x. Okay? But now also y will be a function of x where y and x both are the functions of t. Okay, t is a parameter, so y will be equal to function of y is a function of t and x is also a function of t. So y and x both are a differentiable function of t where t is a parameter, but here also we have to find out the value of dy by dx. So how we'll find out the value of dy by dx? Either we dy by dt divided by dx by dt will, so dy by dx will be equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt, or dy by dt multiplied by dt divided by dx. Okay, so this way we can find out the value of dy by dx when y and x both are a function, a differentiable function of t, that is a parameter. Okay, t is a parameter. So let's start by doing some examples. So since we are talking about dy by dx, and for that we have to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. In this case, one thing we should know, that is denominator cannot be 0, otherwise this will be a non applicable value. So dx divided by dt cannot be 0. Okay. So we have a question, find this one dy by dx if x is a function of t and y is also a function of t. So x is equal to 280 and y is equal to 280 square. So first of all what we have to do, x and y ka value we are having, so dx upon dt will find out, then dy upon dt will find out. Okay, so dx upon dt will be 280. Okay, so t ke against we have to, means with respect to t we have to differentiate this one, so we'll get 2a, and in this case 2a is there and t square ke liye we'll get 2t, so this will be 4at. Okay, now dy upon dx will be equal to this dy, okay, dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt. So dy upon dt is 480 and dx upon dt is 2a. So 2a. So a cancel. This will be 2. So answer will be 2t. Okay. So the value of dy by dx will be equal to 2t. Got it? Okay. We have a question. Find dy by dx if x is a function of t and y is also a function of t. So in this case, first of all we have to find out the value of dy upon dt. Okay. So dy upon dt के लिए, okay, since y is equal to e to the power t to the power 1 upon 2 लिख सकते हैं. Now we'll apply log in both the side. Log of y is equal to log of e to the power t to the power 1 upon 2. So this will be equal to t to the power 1 by 2 log e, and log e ka value is 1, as we all know that. So log of y will be equal to t ka power 1 by 2. Okay. Now applying log, now we have to differentiate this log y with respect to t. So what we'll get? We'll get 1 upon y multiplied by dy by dt. Okay, is equal to t से differentiate करते हैं तो this t will be, first of all we'll write 1 by 2 multiplied by t to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. So it will be 1 by 2 t to the power minus 1 by 2. So we can write, how we can write this, 1 upon 2, this will be 1 upon 2 का मतलब होता है माइनस है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट विल बी नीचे square root of t. Okay, and 2 is there, so 2. Okay, Now this is the value, now we have to write down the value of dy by dt. So why we need to write here? So e to the power square root of t multiplied by, okay, divided by 2 square root of t. ठीक है, so this value, this is the value of dy by dt. Now we have to find out the value of dx by dt. Okay, so what will be the value of dx by dt? X का value is equal to e to the power 2t. So applying log both the sides, log x will be equal to log e to the power 2t. Okay, so this means 2t log e. So log e will be equal to 1. So log of x will be equal to 2t. Okay. Now applying both sides, differentiating both sides with respect to t, will get 1 upon x multiplied by dx upon dt, and this will be equal to 2. So dx upon dt will be equal to 2 into x. So x का value is e to the power 2t. ठीक है. So this will be the value of dx upon dt. Now we have to find out the value of dy upon dx. So it will be dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt. So dy upon dt is this one, e to the power square root of t divided by 2 root t. Now multiplied by 1 upon this one, 2 e to the power 2t. Okay, so this will be square root of t, and this is here. So e to the power square root of t divided by 4 root t e to the power 2t. Okay. So we have a question, differentiate log of t with respect to log of 1 plus t square. So in this case, what we'll do, this is also a function of t, differentiable function of t. This is also a differentiable function of t. So let differentiate this one na. So y will be equal to log of t and x with respect to this one. So x will be equal to log of 1 plus t square. ठीक है, where we have to find dy by dx, क्योंकि हमें जो फाइंड आउट करना है, लाइक डिफरेंशिएट दिस वन. सो इससे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस वन करना है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट dy by dx. इन दैट केस y will be equal to this one and x will be equal to this one. So first of all we'll find out the dy by dx. So differentiating this one will get 1 upon, sorry, dy by dt. तो dy by dt के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, dy by dt will get 1 upon t. ठीक है, and differentiating this one, dx upon dt, what we will get, 1 upon 1 plus t square multiplied by, इसका भी हम करेंगे ना, this will be 0 and this will be 2t. okay, so dx का value will be 2t divided by 1 plus t square. ठीक है, now we have to find out the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx will be this dy by dt multiplied by dt divided by dx. okay, so dy by dt is equal to 1 upon t and dx by dt is this one. So dt by dx inverse हो जाएगा इसका, so 1 plus t square divided by 2t. So it will be 1 plus t square divided by 2t square. Okay, this will be the answer. This will be the value of dy by dx. Okay, understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.